So today in this video I am going to talk about the preparation of alkanes. So there are a lot of method of preparations. So some important method of preparation of alkane like from haloalkane alkyl halides. By reduction of haloalkanes you can see the zinc and dilute hydrochloric acid. Bromomethane treated with zinc and hydrochloric acid, it gives methane. Iodoethane treated with HI, red hot phosphorus at 223 Kelvin, 423 Kelvin. Methane, that is the ethane, I think it is mistake. Ethane is formed, and catalytic reduction, chloromethane when treated with H2, it gave the methane. Now by using Grignard reagents, you know the Grignard reagent is a compound of the type RMGX, alkyl magnesium halide, which is prepared by reacting a haloalkane with magnesium metal in the presence of dry ether. ये जो इथाइल मैग्नीशियम ब्रोमाइड बनते हैं C2H5Br को हम लोग ब्रोमोइथेन कहते हैं, प्लस ट्रीटेड विद द मैग्नीशियम इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ ड्राई ईथर RMGX octane. Now you can see the RMGX treated with ethanol, it gave methane, and if you have the ethyl magnesium bromide treated with water, it gave the ethane. So the next by Burge reaction, you know in this reaction an alkyl halide react with the sodium metal in the presence of dry ether and forms the higher alkane CH3Br, 2 molecules treated with sodium, it gave the ethane. From unsaturated hydrocarbon, if you have the double bond like alkene, when alkene is treated with H2, alkane will obtain. So if you have ethene is treated with H2, that is the hydrogenation reactions in presence of nickel or platinum at 573 Kelvin. If you have alkyne, then you give the 2 molecules of hydrogens in presence of nickel or platinum at 573 Kelvin, ethane is obtained. So this reaction is also called hydrogenation reaction. Now from alcohol, aldehyde and ketone. If you have alcohol when treated with hydroiodic acid in presence of red phosphorus at 423 Kelvin, alkane will obtain. And if you have aldehyde, give the more molecules of hydroiodic acid, that is the 4, then iodine molecules will come out and alkane also will form. Ketone when treated with 4HI, it gives alkane. Now from carboxylic acid, heating with the soda lime, so sodium salt of carboxylic acid treated with sodium hydroxide, alkane will obtain. So by reduction of carboxylic acid, if you have the carboxylic acid when you treated with hydroiodic acid, you can see the alkane will form in the presence of red phosphorus and 423 Kelvin. You know the Kolbe reaction, that one is also very important reaction. Sodium or potassium salt of carboxylic acid on electrolysis gave a higher alkane. The reaction takes place as follows. Sodium salt of carboxylic acid undergo electrolysis. So what will happen? In electrolyte, anion and cation. And at anode you have the Rc double minus, it will convert Rc double O radical a plus 1 electron, and Rc double O radical give the R radical and CO2, and this R radicals and another R radical combine together forming alkane. So sodium ethanoate give ethane at anode.